the traditional financial system, and we all know it, we all use it. It's the backbone of our daily transactions, the invisible hand guiding our economic lives. From the moment we receive our first paycheck to the time we make our last mortgage payment, this system is deeply embedded in our routines. But what is it really? Beyond the numbers and the jargon, what lies at the heart of this system? It's more than just a series of transactions and interest rates. It's a complex web of relationships and dependencies. It's a system built on trust. Trust in banks, trust in governments, trust in the institutions that manage our money and our economic futures. We place our faith in these entities, believing they will safeguard our interests. Trust in institutions that are supposed to act in our best interests. We trust that they will make decisions that benefit the greater good, that they will be transparent and accountable. But what happens when that trust is broken, when the institutions we rely on fail us, when they prioritize their own interests over ours? The consequences can be devastating. What happens when banks fail, when the very foundations of our financial security crumble? We are left to pick up the pieces, often with little to no support. What happens when governments mismanage our money, when fiscal policies lead to economic downturns and crises? The ripple effects are felt by everyone, from the wealthiest to the most vulnerable. What happens when inflation eats away at our savings? When the value of our hard-earned money diminishes day by day, we become vulnerable, powerless. Centralization means control. Control that is often out of our hands. A select few hold the reins of our financial lives. They make the decisions that affect millions, wielding power that can shape economies and destinies. They decide who gets access. They decide the rules. They decide the cost. This centralized system, it's a gatekeeper, often keeping the gates closed for many. It's not working for most of us. The promises of security and prosperity often fall short, leaving many in financial distress and uncertainty. It's time for a change. A shift towards a more decentralized, transparent, and equitable system. One that empowers individuals and fosters trust through innovation and technology. The future of finance is in our hands. Imagine a world where you control your own money, no more middlemen, no more hidden fees, no more arbitrary rules. This is the promise of decentralization. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, puts the power back in your hands. It leverages the blockchain. This revolutionary technology is secure, transparent, and accessible to all. Transactions happen directly between individuals. No need for intermediaries. Decentralization is more than just a buzzword. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about finance. It's about fairness. It's about transparency. It's about empowering individuals, and it's happening right now. Entering the world of decentralized finance can feel daunting. Cryptocurrency mining, exchanges, wallets, it's a lot to take in. But what if there was an easier way? Enter PiNetwork. Pi makes participating in the decentralized revolution accessible to everyone. No need for expensive equipment, no need for technical expertise. All you need is a smartphone. PiNetwork utilizes a unique mobile mining approach. It's energy efficient, it's user-friendly, and it's growing rapidly. With Pi, you can mine from anywhere, anytime. It's decentralization made simple. Mining, it's the backbone of many cryptocurrencies. It's how new coins are created and transactions are verified. But traditional mining methods come at a cost, an environmental cost. Bitcoin mining, for example, consumes vast amounts of energy. This energy consumption has a significant carbon footprint. But the cryptocurrency world is evolving. Sustainability is becoming a priority. New consensus mechanisms like proof of stake are emerging. Proof of stake requires significantly less energy than traditional proof of work mining, and then there's Pi. Pi's mobile mining is incredibly energy efficient. It's a glimpse into a greener future for cryptocurrency. Section 5. DRML Miner, Democratizing Bitcoin. Mining for everyone, mining Bitcoin. It used to be the domain of tech-savvy individuals with expensive equipment. Not anymore. DRML Miner is changing the game. DRML Miner is a decentralized cloud mining platform. It allows anyone to mine Bitcoin. No technical expertise required, no upfront investment in hardware. It's as simple as signing up and starting to mine. DRML Miner is a testament to the power of decentralization. It's making Bitcoin mining accessible to the masses, it's breaking down barriers, and democratizing access to the world of cryptocurrency. Section 6. Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin's gold, a deep dive into its strengths. While Bitcoin grabs the headlines, Litecoin quietly shines in the crypto space. Created by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer, Litecoin is often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. But Litecoin is more than just a sidekick. It boasts its own impressive strengths. Litecoin is known for its speed and affordability. Transactions are confirmed faster and with significantly lower fees than Bitcoin. This makes it ideal for everyday transactions. Litecoin is also committed to privacy. Its Mimblewimble upgrade enhances anonymity, making it a favorite for privacy-conscious users. Section 7. Greening the blockchain, carbon offsetting, and the quest for sustainable crypto. The environmental impact of cryptocurrency is a topic of debate. As the popularity of digital currencies continues to rise, so does the scrutiny over their environmental footprint. Critics argue that the energy consumption of some cryptocurrencies is unsustainable and poses a significant threat to our planet. While some cryptocurrencies have a large carbon footprint, the industry is actively seeking solutions. Innovations and technological advancements are being explored to mitigate these environmental concerns. From optimizing mining processes to developing new consensus mechanisms, the goal is to reduce the carbon emissions associated with crypto mining. Sustainability is no longer an afterthought, it's a necessity. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar power are being integrated into mining operations to make them more eco-friendly. These efforts are crucial in ensuring that the growth of the cryptocurrency industry does not come at the expense of our environment. Carbon offsetting is gaining traction. By investing in projects that reduce or remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, companies can offset the emissions they produce. This practice is becoming increasingly popular in the crypto world as a way to balance out the environmental impact of mining activities. Blockchain technology can be used to track and verify carbon credits. This ensures that the credits are legitimate and that the offsetting projects are actually making a difference. The transparency and immutability of blockchain make it an ideal tool for this purpose. This creates a transparent and accountable way to offset emissions. By using blockchain, companies can provide proof of their carbon offsetting efforts, building trust with their stakeholders and the public. This level of accountability is essential in the fight against climate change. Projects are also underway to utilize renewable energy sources for mining. And then there's Pi. The PiNetwork is a prime example of how the industry is evolving. By allowing users to mine cryptocurrency on their mobile devices, PiNetwork significantly reduces the energy consumption typically associated with mining. PiNetwork's mobile mining is inherently energy efficient. Unlike traditional mining methods that require vast amounts of electricity, Pi's approach is designed to be sustainable from the ground up. This innovative method demonstrates that it's possible to participate in the crypto economy without harming the environment. It's a model for a more sustainable future for crypto. As more projects like PiNetwork emerge, the industry moves closer to a greener, more sustainable future. The integration of renewable energy and energy-efficient technologies is paving the way for a new era in cryptocurrency. The future of cryptocurrency is green. With continued innovation and a commitment to sustainability, the crypto industry can thrive without compromising the health of our planet. The journey towards a sustainable crypto future is well underway, and the possibilities are endless. Section 8. A glimpse into the future. PiNetwork and the decentralized world to come. Imagine a world where you can send money across borders instantly. No more waiting for days or paying exorbitant fees to intermediaries. With just a few taps on your smartphone, your funds are transferred securely and swiftly, reaching the recipient in a matter of seconds. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that decentralized networks like PiNetwork are making possible. Imagine accessing financial services without needing a bank account. In many parts of the world, traditional banking is out of reach for millions. But with blockchain technology, financial inclusion is becoming a reality. People can save, invest, and transact using just their mobile devices, bypassing the need for conventional banking infrastructure. Imagine a global economy that is fair, transparent, and accessible to all. Decentralized systems ensure that everyone has equal opportunities to participate in the global market. Transactions are transparent, reducing the risk of fraud and corruption. This fosters trust and encourages more people to engage in economic activities, driving growth and prosperity. This is the future that decentralization promises. A world where power is not concentrated in the hands of a few but distributed among many, where innovation thrives and individuals have more control over their financial destinies. Blockchain technology is the backbone of this new era, enabling secure, transparent, and efficient transactions. PiNetwork is at the forefront of this revolution. By leveraging the power of blockchain, PiNetwork is creating a decentralized ecosystem that is both user-friendly and sustainable. Its innovative approach to cryptocurrency mining, which can be done on mobile devices without draining battery life, is making it accessible to a broader audience. Its user-friendly platform is onboarding millions of users to the world of decentralized finance. Through educational resources and an intuitive interface, PiNetwork is demystifying blockchain technology and empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or a complete novice, PiNetwork makes it easy to get started. As Pi transitions to its mainnet, it has the potential to become a major player in the crypto space. The mainnet launch marks a significant milestone, bringing with it enhanced security, scalability, and functionality. With a growing community and a robust technological foundation, PiNetwork is poised to make a lasting impact on the world of digital finance. The future is decentralized, and PiNetwork is making it accessible to everyone. By breaking down barriers and providing tools for financial empowerment, PiNetwork is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a movement towards a more inclusive and equitable world. Join us in this journey towards a decentralized future, where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Section 9. The power is in your hands. Join the decentralization revolution today. The financial landscape is changing. The old centralized system is being challenged by the rise of decentralization. This shift is empowering individuals and creating a more equitable financial system. You don't have to be a tech expert or a financial guru to be a part of this revolution. Start by exploring PiNetwork. Download the app, start mining, and join the growing community of pioneers. The future is decentralized. The power is in your hands. Choose Pi. Choose decentralization. Choose the future of finance.